welcome back everybody. This is Helen and we are going to get on straight to it with a fridge clean out. This is one of my most hated jobs, guys, so I am so happy you are with me today so that we can do this together, and it's a little bit of a motivation for you guys. If you've got something that you've been putting off, today's the day to get to it. So my fridge is disgusting. When you see the bottom of it, you'll be like, Helen, why did you not clean that out ages ago? And you're right, I should have done, but like I say, I hate it. It really is something that I don't enjoy. Anyway, so we're going to do a few jobs today. We're going to get the fridge done, we're going to put some furniture together, we're going to clear out my junk drawer. So grab yourself a cuppa, grab some snacks, or grab your cleaning products, and let's do it together.
So damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold.
So I wasn't planning on clearing all the washing all these little plastic bins, but as I tried to clean them here, it just wasn't getting clean enough, so I took them all off, put them in the sink, washed them all, and it is, if you're going to do a job, you might as well do it right, hadn't you? I just really didn't want to, but hey ho. The other thing as well, my fridge kept turning off, so I have to keep shutting the door. In case you wonder why I keep shutting the door, that's why, because the fridge kept turning itself off, and it was I had to keep turning it off at the switch and resetting it, so that's why I keep shutting the door.
I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining right.
You look at me like I'm crazy.
So this plastic bin, I don't know whether you can see, but it's got a load of scuff marks on it and loads of kind of marks, and I wasn't really sure how to get this off, but warm soapy water did the trick.
Need you, I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So what jobs do you guys hate doing? Mine's the fridge. Actually, there's quite a few jobs that I don't like doing, but drop me a comment below and tell me what you don't like doing that we can motivate each other to do in the future.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. what we're doing is bad. There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons.
So when I tried to put everything back in the fridge, it didn't kind of go in like it did before, and it took me a while to get all the little shelves and little compartments back properly. My organisation in my fridge isn't fantastic. I really struggle with it. I see so many videos on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok about these amazing organised fridges, and that's the dream, but in real life, guys, you know, we do the best we can.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else.
So you can see, guys, it's all done now. My fridge is quite empty. We're due to the shopping, so don't worry, we're not starving in this household. We're just due a shop, really. Also, I have two fridges. This is the one in my kitchen. I also have my American style fridge freezer in my utility room. Because we're a family of 6, this one just doesn't cut it. So it's kind of like juggling both fridges, but we manage. Okay, so we're going to go on to this freezer drawer. It's not really clear on here, but you can see there's some cracks in the side of the freezer drawer. One of the kids tried to force it open when it was kind of frozen and it cracked, so I'm just going to basically bung a load of super glue on it, and that'll hold it until I get some new drawers.
So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you.
So it did actually work really well, that super glue, when it had dried and when my fingers hadn't stuck to the drawer. We're going to do a quick clean up now, and then I'm going to show you a couple of cupboards that I organised, including that dreaded Tupperware cupboard, and then we'll get on to some more organising.
Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by.
So we decided to move on to the next day and do some more cleaning then. I kind of ran out of steam, to be honest. So I'm going to make my breakfast, and then we're going to crack on and get some more jobs done.
I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
So yeah, this junk drawer, I had just thrown things in here probably for a year from when we moved in, just the stuff that I didn't know where to put anywhere else really, and I was really surprised at how much I've accumulated. So I laid it all on the table, I cleaned the drawer out, and we started organising the proper place for things to go, and just putting back in what I need in this drawer. It took quite a while, I'm not going to lie, and there was lots of fiddly little bits and pieces, but it's another job that I've ticked off and I'm really glad that it's done.
I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else.
So the storage containers that I found, they were on sale at Wilko's if anyone wants to go get some. They are the cream ones on the left hand side of the picture. I'm just kind of putting everything in the drawers and seeing how they fit in, and then giving everything a good wipe out. The containers from Wilkinson's have lids on them and are stackable as well, so I don't know how long they'll be on sale for, but they are a really, really good bargain at the moment.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Come back to my place, we can get.
So I'm going to clear off the last of the table and then give it a really good wipe down, set the RoboVac going and mop the floor before I destroy it again by taking out the piece of furniture that I need to put together.
Baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
So in this packing box there was a lot of packing materials, like bits of wood that obviously I didn't need for the piece of furniture, but that I've kept because I've got some really good ideas for making my own wooden signs with my Cricut. So that's going to be an upcoming video. I've got some tester pots of Faro and ball paint coming, and I think it'd be really good to paint them and then make some really nice signs with my Cricut. So yeah, we're going to see how that goes. Okay, so I need to disclaimer this. Please do not follow my instructions or how I put this together, because I put it together wrong, and yeah, it's not great. Anyway, I managed to put it together, and then my gusto box came, so then I had to unpack that before we start again upstairs. So I'm just going to quickly unpack this, put all this away, and then we'll get back to the cabinet and putting everything in my ensuite bathroom.
Love you than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Oh boy.
So here we go, guys, back up in my ensuite bathroom now. It's quite tight, so I'm sorry about the angles here. It's a bit of a mess, so I'm just going to let you sit back and enjoy me cleaning it and organising.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, 'cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. You know I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if you don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Little bit let down, let down.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something.
So I don't know where all my other footage of cleaning this room went, but it seems to have disappeared. Anyway, I finished now and it's all looking really good. I want to put a couple of shelves up, I think, above the new cabinet. And then I want to put a mirrored cabinet up here above the sink. I need to paint the walls. That's something that I really want to do. And I think I'm going to go neutral, but with a little bit of a hint of colour. So yeah, definitely want to add a few little bits to this room, get a few little decor pieces, put some shelves up and just get it all finished. Thanks for spending the day with me, guys. I've loved it. I've loved the fact that you motivate me to get things done. I hope it's motivated you. I can't wait for the next one. Join me again. See you later. Bye.
Just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a